Barry has 42-year-old, and he is office worker, had been struggling with restless nights. No matter what he tried, changing pillows, herbal teas, or even sleep apps, he would wake up feeling tired and sluggish. The stress of work, aches in his joints, and overall exhaustion were taking a toll on him. Then, a friend suggested something unusual: castor oil. Use it for just 7 days, his senior friend said. Skeptical but desperate for a solution, Barry decided to give it a shot. Little did he know, this simple oil would change much more than just his sleep. Day 1 to 2. Discovering the power of castor oil. Barry started by applying a few drops of warm castor oil to the soles of his feet before bed. He also massaged a small amount into his temples and neck. The first night, he still tossed and turned, but by the second night, something was different. He felt a deep relaxation settle in, and his usual midnight wake-ups became less frequent. Studies suggest castor oil has mild sedative effects, and Barry was beginning to experience them firsthand. Day 3 to 4. Relief for aching joints. Barry had been dealing with stiff knees, a common problem after 40. On the third day, he decided to try castor oil as a remedy for joint pain. He warmed the oil slightly, massaged it into his knees, and wrapped them with a warm cloth for about 30 minutes. By the fourth day, he noticed less stiffness when getting out of bed in the morning. Research suggests that ricinoleic acid, a key component of castor oil, has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and pain. Barry was starting to feel the difference. Day 5. A natural boost for digestion. One of Barry's biggest struggles was occasional bloating and constipation. He read that castor oil could be used as a natural laxative. Following recommended guidelines, he took half a teaspoon on an empty stomach, followed by a glass of warm water. By the afternoon, his digestion felt smoother. The oil worked by stimulating the muscles in the intestines, helping things move naturally. He made sure to drink plenty of water and planned to use this remedy only when necessary. Day 6. Youthful skin and hydration. Barry's wife was the first to notice. His skin looked fresher. Castor oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties, and he had been applying a thin layer to his face and hands before bed. By the 6th day, the fine lines on his forehead seemed less noticeable, and his skin felt softer. Studies have shown that castor oil's fatty acids help retain moisture, making it a natural anti-aging treatment. Day 7. Better circulation and more energy. By the last day of his experiment, Barry felt different, lighter, more energetic. He learned that massaging castor oil into the legs and feet improves blood circulation, helping deliver more oxygen to the tissues. This was particularly beneficial for him since he spent long hours sitting at a desk. With better sleep, reduced joint pain, improved digestion, and healthier skin, Barry felt like a new man. He never expected such a simple remedy to have such a big impact. How to use castor oil safely after 40. Barry's experience showed that castor oil could be incredibly beneficial, but it's essential to use it correctly. For sleep, massage a few drops onto the feet and temples before bed. For joint pain, warm a small amount, massage into joints, and cover with a warm cloth for 30 minutes. For digestion, take half a teaspoon on an empty stomach occasionally, followed by plenty of water. For skin, apply a thin layer before bed for hydration and anti-aging effects. For circulation, massage into legs and feet to improve blood flow. While Barry had a great experience, castor oil isn't for everyone. Some people may experience skin irritation or digestive discomfort. It's always best to start with a patch test and consult a healthcare professional before taking it orally. After 7 days, Barry knew one thing for sure: castor oil had earned a permanent spot in his wellness routine. If you're over 40 and looking for natural ways to improve sleep, relieve pain, and boost your health, why not give it a try? Would you try castor oil for 7 days? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.